Here's how to fix the issue of YouTube comments not showing up. First, open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com on your computer. Let's say you're watching a video and want to leave a comment. You might be on a regular video or a YouTube short. Once you've found the video, tap to open it. When you try to post a comment, you can type something like "nice video" and hit send. If you don't see your comment appear, there are a few things to check. First, go back to the main screen of the app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap the gear icon at the top right to go into settings. In the general section, check if restricted mode is turned on. If it is, it might be filtering out certain comments, so make sure to turn it off. Another thing to keep in mind is that YouTube channel owners have control over comment moderation. Some creators choose to hold comments for review or automatically block certain words. So your comment may be flagged by the channel settings. You could try commenting on a different video to see if the issue persists. Or it could be a specific comment that's being flagged. If none of that works, let's try a more technical fix. Go back to Settings, tap General, then choose iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find YouTube, tap on it, and select Offload App. This will clear temporary files and reinstall the app, which can fix any bugs or glitches that might be causing the issue. After reinstalling, try posting comments on different videos from different creators to see if everything works again. I hope this helps. If it did, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.